combining functions. Here you can see two functions. f of x is equal to 3 multiplied by x plus 1 as function 1, and g of x is equal to x squared plus 2 as function number 2. In this example, we will look at function of a function. Take f of g of x. First step will be to substitute in for g of x. This is function number 2, and that gives us f of bracket open x squared plus 2 bracket closed. Next step, we substitute in for f with function number 1. This gives us 3 multiplied by bracket open x squared plus 2 bracket close add 1. We can expand the bracket and simplify to give us 3x squared plus 6 plus 1, and finally 3x squared plus 7.